Good morning children, welcome to Max class. So what we discussed in the last class children is comparing numbers, ordering of numbers, next successor, predecessor, forming the greatest and the smallest numbers, isn't it? So did you practice yesterday in rough notes? Okay. So based on these concepts today I am going to explain the exercise 1B. Okay, already we completed exercise 1A Nana. So today I am going to explain exercise 1B. So before going to that, I will explain one puzzle. Who am I? Puzzle, who am I? So try to give the answer to my question. I am a 5-digit number. I will write that puzzle here. Just find out the answer. I am a 5-digit number. I have 5 in my 10,000s place. Five in my 10,000s place, 7 in my thousands place, 4 in my hundreds place, 4 in my hundreds place, 0 in my tens place, 3 in my ones place. Three in my ones place. I am dash. So here they are given one puzzle Nana. Who am I? So how do we get the answer? Just see what the given clues. I am a 5-digit number. So I have 5 in my 10,000s place and 7 in my thousands place, 4 in my hundreds place, 0 in my tens place, 3 in my ones place. What's that number? Do you find it? Okay. I will explain how I get that answer. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. They are given 5-digit number Nana. So in 10,000s place what's the number is given? 5. Sorry, digit 5. 5 10,000, 7,000, 4 hundreds, 0 tens, 3 ones. So the number is 57,403. Okay. So if you keep the places then we can get the answer easily. Okay, so they are given some clues. What's the digit is there in the 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. So by using these clues, if you keep the places, then we can get the answer quickly. Okay, so the answer is 57,403. 57,403. Okay, and now exercise 1B. Okay children, exercise 1B. Exercise 1B. So I explained some concepts yesterday. Based on these concepts we will do this exercise. Exercise 1B. Exercise 1B. What's the first question? Compare the numbers and put the correct sign greater, less than or equal to. See children, in this exercise each Roman having the 4 or 6 sums. So in the 4 sums I will explain the 2 or 3, then you have to do the remaining sums as homework. But I will write all that one, but I will explain here only 3 problems. So the remaining problems you have to do as homework in the rough notes. Okay? Come on, see the first question. Compare the numbers So compare the numbers. All of you note down in rough notes. Compare the numbers and put the correct sign. Greater, less than or equal to. Okay. So first one 7,29,185, 9,12,006. So my dear children, note down these problems in the rough book, Nana. Three lakhs 84,796, 3,89,530. Next D. So 5,36,109, 5,36,420. See children, all of you note down these problems. I'll explain these three problems. You can do this problem your own. Okay. See the first one. Here how many digits are there in this number? Yes, this is a 6-digit number and that is also a 6-digit number. Okay, no problem. The same number of digits came. Just you compare the highest place, which is nothing but the lakhs place. So how many lakhs here? 7 lakh, there 9 lakh. Okay, in 7 lakh, 7 is the smaller than 9. So we'll use this symbol less than. 7 is less than 9. Okay, and next one here 8 lakh, 8 lakh. Lakh places are same. Then you compare the 10,000s place. 2 10,000s, here 1 10,000. So 2 10,000 means 20. So 20 here 10. Yes, we know that very well. 20 is greater than 10. 20 is greater than 10. So we should keep greater than symbol. Next 3 lakh, 3 lakh. Same. So round up. Next compare the 10,000s. 8 10,000, 8 10,000. Same. Next you compare the thousands place. 4,000, here 9,000. 4,000, 9,000. Now 4,000 is less than 9,000. So 4 is less than 9. Same like that, you do this problem your own. So my dear children, all of you note down these problems in the rough book and you have to practice. Okay. After I will send the notes, then starting onwards you will write the notes neatly. Okay ma? And shall we go to the second Roman? Okay. Do you understand how to compare this? If the same number of digits are given, first you compare the lakh place. If the lakh places are same, then we compare the 10,000. If 10,000s are same, then we compare the 1,000. If thousands are same, then we compare the hundreds. So if the hundreds are same, then we compare the tens. Like that we compare and keep the symbol. But here you must be very careful children. You have to write whether the first number, that means this number, okay, is this number is less than or greater or equal to. Okay, this number is used for only comparing. But some children, they are keeping like this. Here 2, here 7, here 9. So 9 is greater, so that they kept greater than symbol. That is wrong. If you keep greater than symbol here like this, the statement is becomes wrong. 7 is greater than 9. Is that correct statement? No. So first you have to see the first number, whether it is smaller or bigger. Okay Nana? Next second question. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Come on, tell me children, what is meant by ascending order? Yes, the numbers are arranged from smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. The numbers are arranged from the smallest to largest is known as ascending order. Okay. So here they are given 3 problems Nana. I will write 3 problems, but I explain only 2 problems. Remaining 1 problem you do as homework. But you also note down 3 problems. A. 5,81,723, 5,81,049, 5,81,900, 81,856. Okay, so these are the numbers. So how to write this? Ascending order, small to big. Yesterday also explained, Nana. So all are 6-digit numbers. So that first you see the lakh place. 5, 5, 5. Okay. Same. Now you compare the 10,000s. 8, 8, 8, 8. Next 1, 1, 1,000, 1,000. Next 700, 0, 900, 800. Among these, 0 is the smallest. So you have to give the numbering 1. And next smallest number is 7. 700. Next 800. Next 900. Finish. So after numbering, you write according to that number. The first one is 5,81,049. Next second one is 5,81,723. 5,81,856. Next 5,81,900. Okay. Observe here children, this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. So here the numbers are arranged from the smallest to greatest. So it is said to be ascending order. Is it clear to you children? Okay. Second problem. So second problem is same model. So second problem you only do, Nana. I will give the sum. Note down in rough notes. 7,27,000, 7,29,546. So this is the same model of the first one. So you only do this problem, Nana. First one, next is finish. So try yourself. C. Now I will explain C, Nana. Oh sorry, I will written descending order, second problem. Okay. What is the second one? 4,39,185, 3,58,907, 8,21,063, 9,10,259. Sorry, Nana. I'm extremely sorry. By mistake, I written this one. Okay. So this is the second problem. So which one is the smallest one? Yes, 3 lakh. So give the number first, this one. Next 4 lakh. Next 8 lakh. Next 9 lakh. You only write this one. Okay, Nana? Next C. 7 lakh. 6,81,999. So 9,98,998. Next 9,99,999. So how these numbers can be written as ascending order? Okay. Small to big. Which is the smallest one? See the lakh place. All are 6-digit numbers. Okay. Now see the lakh place. 7 lakh, 6 lakh, 9 lakh, 9 lakh. So this is the smallest one. Next 7 lakh. Next here these two numbers are having same lakh. Then you compare the 10,000. 10,000 is also same. Then you compare the thousands. 8,000, here 9,000. So this is the smallest one and this is the largest one. So after numbering we write 6,81,999. Why I draw this line? To separate the numbers. Okay, Nana? 7 lakh. Next 9,98,998. Next 9,99,999. Finish. So like this we will write the numbers in ascending order from smallest to largest. Second problem you only do yourself. Okay? Note down this one in your rough book, Nana. Okay? And next one. Third one. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Third one. So take the screenshot and write, Nana. Then it becomes very easy to you. Okay. So if you feel difficult to note down this, take the screenshot and write. arrange the numbers in descending order. So descending means, yes, tell me what is meant by descending, children? Big to small. If the numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest is known as descending order. Okay, come on, see here. The first one, 4,39,180. Next, 8,14,295. Next, 5,63,102. Next, 9,724. Okay, so this is the problem. So descending order, DO. DO means descending order, biggest to smallest. Yes, which one is the biggest one? First you check it, all numbers are having the same number of digits. So this is 6-digit number, 6-digit, 6-digit number, 6-digit number. Now you see the lakh place. 4 lakh, 8 lakh, 5 lakh, 9 lakh. Yes, 9 is the biggest number. So 9 lakh, give the number 1 for that. Next, 8 lakh. Next, 5. Next, 4. So biggest to smallest. Yes, write down 9,724. Next, 8,14,295. Next, 5,63,102. Next, 4,39,180. Okay, so like this we'll write the numbers in descending order. Okay, children. And now B. So note down B, Nana, and do yourself. 7,21,526. I will make a line to avoid the confusion. Okay, and 7,21,987, 7,27,000, 7,29,546. See, children, note down this problem, Nana. Note down this problem and do yourself. Okay, and next C. So 9,999, and next one is 99,999. Next, 9,99,909. Next, 9,99,999. This is the problem. Okay, so how to write the descending order? Biggest to smallest. First you check it, Nana. All the numbers are having the same number of digits? No. This is a 4-digit number, a 5-digit number, 6-digit number and 6-digit number. And you know that very well, the 6-digit numbers are always greater than the 5-digit numbers. But here we are having 2 6-digit numbers. So that you have to compare the lakh place. If the lakh places are same, then compare the 10,000s. 9, 9, same. Again thousands, 9,000, 9,000, same. And 900, 900, same. Next 0 and here 9. Yes, the greatest 6-digit number is the 9,99,999. So give number 1 for this. And next one is 2. And in these 2, 5-digit numbers are greater than the 4-digit numbers. So give number 3 for this and 4. So now write 9,99,999, 9,99,909. Next, 99,999. Next, 9,999. Okay, do you understand how to write this one? Biggest to smallest. So in these 3 problems, I explained 2 problems. You will do the middle problem your own. Okay, note down this also, children. Take the screenshot and note down in rough book. Okay. Yes, next the 4th one. So see the fourth one, write the successors of the following numbers. Yes, note down children, write the successor of the following numbers. So how do we get the successor? Yes, by adding 1 to the given number, we can get the successor. So A 7,28,567, B 2,14,868, C 5,72,006, D 6,89,993, E 9,50,007. How do we get the successor? Successor means after number. Okay. So if you add 1 to this number, we will get the successor. So 7,28,563. Add 1, it becomes 564. Okay. Next 2,14,868 plus 1, 869. Successor means nothing but the after number. And 5,72,007. So here 6 plus 1, 7. So 5,72,007. So these two problems you will do your own. Okay. And next one. These are the answers, Nana. Next, predecessor. Predecessor of the following numbers. Write the predecessors of the following numbers. So predecessor means before number. How do we get the predecessor of the given number? As if you subtract 1 to the given from the given number, then we can get the predecessor. See here, A 8,53,764. B 9,21,305. C 4,68,715. D 9,99,589. E 5,99,061. So how do you get the predecessor? For this one, subtract 1 from this one, then we can get the 8,53,763. So it is nothing but the before number. So 4 before 3, remaining all the digits are same. 8,53,763. Next here 9,21,305. 5 is there in the units place. So the before number of 5, 4. So if you subtract 1 from 5, we get 4. So the answer is 9,21,304. So this is the answer. And for this answer, 4,68,715 before 14. 714. So if you subtract 1 from 715, then we will get the 714. You also do these remaining sums. Okay, Nana? Note down this one and write the predecessor of that number. And the last one in this exercise, write the smallest and the greatest 6-digit numbers without repeating numbers. So how to form the greatest and the smallest number? Greatest numbers. Write the smallest. Write the smallest and the greatest six-digit numbers without repeating numbers. This is the last one, last Roman, Nana. So all of you note down. And first one, 4, 8, 7, 9, 2, 6. So how to form the smallest and the greatest number? Smallest number, greatest number. So if the numbers are written in increasing order, then you can get the smallest number. First small 2, next 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is a 2,46,789. So if the numbers are written from decreasing order, that means greatest to smallest, then we can get the big number. 9,87,642. 9,87,642. So same like that. So if the zeros comes, how can you do? So B, you only do yourself, note down this problem. Okay, I will explain this one. Remaining problems. See, smallest number. How do you get the smallest number? If the 0 is there, but you don't start with 0, why they are asking 6-digit number? 6-digit number. Left side 0 has no value, so that you don't start with 0 and next goes to the next smallest number, which is nothing but 3. So now you will write 0. Okay, next 4, 5, 7, 8. That means 3,04,578. Then greatest number. So 8,75,430. Okay, 8,75,430. So while writing the smallest number, if the 0 is given, so don't start with 0. If you start with 0, left side 0 has no value, then it becomes a 5-digit number. But what they are asking the question, write the smallest and the greatest 6-digit number. So that write the next smallest number, after you keep 0. Okay, Nana? But while writing the greatest number, asterisk you will write 8,75,430. Okay, is it clear to you, children? Now next problem. I will write here only. C. D you do yourself, Nana. So how to form? Here the 2 zeros are given, Nana. So don't start with 2 zeros. So next smallest number is 2. Then you keep zeros. Okay. 6, 7, 8. So it is 2,678. And greatest number. So greatest number asterisk. The numbers are written from big to small. Big number is 8. Next 7, 6, 2, 0, 0. So 8,76,200. So here you must be very careful. If the zeros are given, don't start with 0 and go to the next smallest number 2. Then after you keep zeros, then 6, 7, 8. So 2,678. That is the smallest number. Here the greatest number is 8,76,200. The last one you do yourself. 761052. Note down this problem and do, Nana. Okay, here 10 is given. While writing the smallest number, don't start with 0. Go to the next smallest number. After you will keep 0. Okay. So I hope you understand the today's class, exercise 1B, and I gave some problems as homework. So all of you do that problems your own. If you have any doubts, you call to me, I will explain. Okay, children. Bye, children. Take care.